Hello friends, welcome to my channel Try It Studio. In this video I am going to unbox and review Boya Universal Cardioid microphone. Its model is BY-MM1 and it's compatible with mobile, laptop and DSLR cameras. At first take a look from all the side of the box. Here you can see it's compatible with smartphone, tablet, DSLR cameras, consumer camcorders and audio recorders, compact and lightweight directional mic, rugged metal construction. Its body is made of metal, no battery is required, and professional furry windshield included. And its net weight is 86 grams. Now let's open the box, and I purchased this from Amazon for 1500 rupees. So Amazon's packaging was not that good and they just kind of destroyed this box. So let's open it. So inside the box you will get a warranty card. It comes with 1 year of warranty and then a user manual. So I am going to keep this aside and let's check the box content. At first we have the microphone and this is the furry windshield. This is the microphone, full metal body. Here you can see there are metallic mesh to prevent noises, and Boya MM1 branding is written over here, and here is our 3.5 mm jack. And this is our windshield. Actually its inside is made of foam and the outside is covered with this fur, but it looks too good and professional. So let me insert the mic. Okay, this is how you connect the windshield with the mic. Then we have this connector to hold the mic on top of the DSLR. You can insert this portion on the flash shoe of the DSLR and put it there. And then we have the connector. This is a 3.5 mm TRS to TRS connector. This cable should be used while you are using the mic with the DSLR. You can see each side has 3 segments, 1, 2, 3, which means TRS connector. And then we have another cable in which one side has 3 segments and another side has 4 segments, which means this is a TRS to TRRS connector. You should use this cable while using the mic with your laptop and cell phones. Then we have a carry pouch. It's made of PU leather. So friends, so far I have recorded my voice with the internal microphone of my mobile phone, and right now I am going to connect this mic with my mobile and then test the voice quality. So I am going to connect this end with my mobile and this end with this microphone. Always remember this TRS pin will go inside the microphone. So friends, I have connected the mic with my mobile, and right now you are listening to my voice with the help of this Boya MM1 cardioid microphone. Right now I don't know how good the sound quality is. Please let me know in the comment section that if this sound quality is better than the previously recorded sound quality, which was recorded with the help of my phone's built-in microphone. Now I will connect the mic with my DSLR and test its sound quality. So friends, again I am recording my voice with the help of my phone's internal microphone, and right now I am going to connect this Boya mic with my DSLR. So let me show you how to connect this. First you have to connect this connector here. Just push it and it will get connected, and then push this portion inside the mounting show like this, and then tighten the screw. Now let's connect the windshield for wind noise protection. And this would be your setup with the DSLR. Then we have to use this TRS cable to use this mic with the DSLR. I'm going to connect this side with the mic and the other end to the DSLR mic port. So this is our DSLR setup. Now let's test the sound quality. So friends, right now I am recording my voice with the help of this mic, and the microphone sensitivity is set to auto. I am seeing some noise gain with auto sensitivity. So let me change the sensitivity and then I will come back. Friends, I have set microphone sensitivity to 10 and right now I don't see any noise gain in the screen of my DSLR. So I think right now it is capturing my voice pretty well. I will share the raw clip with you and let me know in the comment section what do you think about its voice quality. Friends, right now the voice is being recorded with the help of my DSLR's built-in microphone. I am sharing this sound clip with you so that you can compare the sound quality of this Boya mic and the internal microphone sound quality of my DSLRs. If you have any doubt or queries regarding the performance of this microphone, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will try my best to reply. So I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Take care and have a great day.